Hello, little friends. Welcome once again to From Mangoes to Maples. It's me, Millie, bringing to you yet another lovely story straight from India while you get cozy and enjoy this one. So, here you go. This story is called The Wise Bird and the Sacred Tree. Long ago, in a quiet forest, there stood a very old banyan tree, big, strong, and huge. Birds built their nests on its branches, squirrels ran along its trunk, and deer rested in its shade. Everyone in the forest loved the tree. Among the birds lived a kind and thoughtful dove known for its wisdom. The dove always said, "This tree protects us. We must protect it too." One evening, a storm passed over the forest. Many animals came running to the tree looking for shelter. Some were birds, some were deer, and even a family of monkeys. Suddenly, a group of humans arrived. They believed the banyan tree was sacred, and they wished to light a lamp and offer flowers as their prayers for the storm to end. A young parrot saw this and got really upset. He said, "Why should they pray here? This is our home, not theirs. What are they doing? This is not what we do near this tree." The wise dove replied softly, "This tree gives shade to everyone, birds, animals, and people too. Just like we rest here during the rain, they come here for their prayers." "But their prayer is not like ours," the parrot said. The dove smiled kindly. It said, "Different ways of prayers are like different songs. Each song is special to the one who sings it. Just because it is not our song doesn't mean it is wrong." The travelers prayed, and a warm glow of the lamp gently lit the area around the tree. That night, when the storm grew calmer and the place was super cold, the same lamp gave the animals warmth and comfort. The next morning, the parrot woke up and said quietly, "I understand now. When we make room for others, kindness comes back to us too." The dove nodded and said, "Respect means giving others the same space we want for ourselves." Just like the big tree welcomed every animal, Canada too welcomes people from many different cultures and religions. Here in Canada, people may pray in different ways or celebrate different festivals, and that's something really very beautiful. We are really honored to have some friends that celebrate Diwali, some that rejoice Eid and fast during Ramadan. Some of us celebrate Baisakhi, some do Onam. We have friends that observe Thanksgiving, Easter, Christmas. You might also know friends that celebrate Hanukkah, Pongal, Lohri. Oh, it's a long, long list. Everyone celebrates and prays in their own special ways. When we learn to respect everyone's way of showing love and gratitude, we grow kinder and wiser, just like the wise dove. You can give this a thought. When someone celebrates or prays differently from you, like lighting lamps, ringing bells, chanting prayers, or folding their hands differently, how can you show respect and kindness to them? Can you just smile? Can you just listen quietly? Or can you simply just give them some space? I'm sure you can, and I'm so proud of you for knowing just how to. This was the end of today's story. So remember, as we always say, from India's land to Canada's snow, may seeds of kindness always grow.